Hello everybody, thanks for joining me today. Well, I want to get on with the engine but I can't because I'm waiting for shims coming and the guy who supplies the shims is interstate on holiday. So unfortunately I have to wait for them to come. He's sending them on Monday via express post, so I should have them Tuesday or Wednesday. Get the engine sorted out, get that done. In the meantime I've got a plan. I'm going to revamp the back. Now one of the problems is I've got a set of twin King's drawers in the back. Now since I put those drawers in, they're 900 long. Since I put them in I've removed the rear seats and it's reclassified the car. So I've got a 1200 drawer that will fit in, hopefully. I'm going to put that on the right hand side. I'm going to have the fridge on the left hand side. Now the reason I'm going to do that is because I've got a fridge slider. Now I want to keep the fridge as low as possible because at the moment I'm having to use a step to stand up and look inside the fridge just to get access to it. So I want to use a longer slider so the fridge comes out further, and B, lower down so I can see into it without having to use a step. So I'm going to revamp the back. Now that means removing all of the electronics for the batteries. It means removing the batteries. I've got a new battery tray coming, the dual battery tray to hold the batteries. I'm going to fasten that to the floor. We should be able to do all that, but first of all I've got to empty it. So as you can see, we've got dual drawers with wings. We've got an inverter here and we've got the battery system and everything up the front there, fastened onto the front of the drawers with the board. Currently the drawers are full, so the first job is to empty the drawers out. Once I've done that I can then concentrate on removing the drawers. So you really do need a drill or a torque tool to remove these screws, because there's so many of them. Doing them with an Allen key, you'll get all bloody dead. Take all of the screws out, all of the clamps. Once you've done that, then you can take the drawer out and you can access the bolts that mount the drawers to the bottom. I was about to say, the good thing about this is I'm reducing weight. Not only am I giving myself access to, well, this is a fridge slider here, but it's too high, the fridge is up here, you can't see in it. So if I put in the fridge down here, I'll be able to, it'll be here, I'll be able to see in the fridge, it'll come out further, and I'll have less weight, so it's good, it's a good thing. I'll lift this out, hopefully. Obviously not, because I've still got one in there. Or is it? Oh, there's still one in there. Nearly got there. There's so many screws hold this together that it just beggars belief sometimes. No, there's still another one somewhere. Oh, silly me, with the fridge slide lock. Well, that's the drawer just sat in there, and this is the narrow fridge slide. Only just fits. In fact, it doesn't really fit, but it will fit. Late now, so I've had enough. How you going, mate? Another day at work? What can you do? Gotta earn the money.